was bright and sunny. Oh, so funny.
Okay, so one trade a day, 50 pips, 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so every day at the market's open. Catch 50 pips a day for 5 days a week. What is that? 250 pips at the end of the week. Super easy. 250 pips at the end of the week. Times the 4 weeks in a month, it's going to be 1,000 pips.
Wow.
1,000 pips doubles your account. One trade a day, 50 pips, 5 days a week, 4 weeks in a month. 1,000 pips a month. You start January with a $100 account. By the end of December, you have over $500,000 in your account. Due to this simple concept of, sticking to the small
3%,
risk
30.
amount with the 50 pips a day, you're risking, and I got a whole bunch of stuff on the board, 3 to 5. I'm risking 3 to get 5. I'm in a position to gain more than I am to lose. You stick that, you keep it consistent, 1,000 pips a month, which is super easy to do. There's times that I made this in a week, honestly. You could, so like I said, 50 pips a trade, and like I said, again, you catch 2 good trades in a day, you technically just made 2 days worth of your profit in one day. You take 2 trades, you made 2 days worth of profit in one day, and then same thing, et cetera, et cetera. This is much easier than you think it is. Just start incrementally with small goals, 50 pips a day, which is very easy to do, which is about 1 trade, honestly, and then 5 days a week, 250 times 4,000 and you're good.
The day was bright and